Aww. This is it, right? This is like win or go home. I'm watching the Mavs, well, not watching the Mavs game, but it's watching me. It looks like they're about to lose to the Clippers. Oh, I'm not a Mavs fan, but I know if they go to the next level, I will go for the home team, of course. But I'm a LeBron fan. Like, I'm a player fan. Like, Ray Allen, that's my baby. LeBron, love him. So therefore, I go for the Lakers. That's neither here nor there. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is a beautiful day in Dallas, finally. When I tell you it has literally been 40 days and 40 nights of rain here in Dallas, like, it's annoying at this point, like, for real. So when I do have good light, excuse me, and if you know me, I come to my parents' house once a weekend, well, every weekend, and they have really good light in their house, and I don't have good light in my house, and natural lighting is everything. So therefore I decide to film. So I'm filming for you guys. I'm super excited about this video because your girl got contacted by a company called Keto Krate. Super excited, y'all. I thought I was being punked. They actually reached out to me in my DMs on Instagram, and they liked my content, and they were like, you know what, Charis, we love your content. We want to go ahead and send you a Keto Krate every month. You just use, we just want you to basically show it off on Instagram or any social media outlet. And y'all, I have a code, I have a link, so that you, if you decide to purchase a Keto Krate, you can get $10 off your first box. So I got my Keto Krate. It came last week, but I haven't had time to film. Once again, I wanted good lighting. So I am so excited about this because it is geared towards, in my opinion, snackers. It is so tough going to the grocery store being a keto individual. There are really no snacks. You have pork rinds, you have what? Berries, blueberries, raspberries. What else do you have? Like cheese, salami. You just get sick of that, you know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes I don't want to eat keto snacks, you know? So this is awesome, and I'm going to unbox it with you guys and show you all the cool, edible, delicious things that are in here. So keep watching. Thank y'all so much. Let's see what's inside. Okay, y'all, so we're back. Like I said, here is the crate. It is Keto Krate. I did a little bit of research there out of Austin, I believe. So I was like, oh, hey, Austin. It is keto approved, of course. Aspartame free, maltitol free, that's key. Soy and sucralose conscious and gluten free. Always low carb. So let's open up. This is the inside, and it actually comes with this booklet. This is the June 2021 box, and it looks like they have QR codes for just certain things, like a playlist, also a QR code for more snack info, shop links, coupon codes, inspirational stories. I love to see those, exclusive recipes, and just even recipes for the things that are in the box that you can use. So let's just get to it. Let's get to the good stuff. So the first thing, so sidebar, I actually snacked on a couple of these things throughout the week. Luckily they are resealable, so I can still show y'all what I got. I didn't eat them up. So first thing that we have, Keto Crunch. So Keto Crunch, it's basically cheese crisp, high fat, no artificial flavors. This is cheddar, and the serving size is 7 crisp. That's pretty good. And it has, let's see, oh my god, the ingredients are just pasteurized milk, salt, cheese cultures, and milk. So total carbs, less than 1 net carb. Like, what? What? Let's see what it looks like. Let me show y'all. See? Little cheese crisp. Oh, they're crunchy. See? And these you can get in the, I've seen these at CVS. I've seen their stuff at CVS. I've seen it at Walgreens because they have like a peanut butter as well. So yeah, they're good. Very good. Keto Crunch. Yummy. Okay. Next, oh, this is another thing. I already opened these up. They're called Chipmunk, a play on monk fruit. You see it? Chipmunk. How cute is that? Birthday cake keto bites. They are 1 net carb per serving, I guess per bite. Yeah. And there are 8 servings in here. So there are 8 cookies in here. They're made with monk fruit. They are soft and chewy. I did like the consistency. All the ingredients, once again, you can recognize all of them. They're made with sugarless crystals. So Chipmunk bites are sweetened with allulose and monk fruit. So it's 10 net carbs, 10 total carbs, 2 grams of fiber, and then 7 grams of allulose. So you do the math, 1 net carb per bite. They're so cute, y'all. Look at them. See? Look at the sprinkles. So, and you have to refrigerate them after you open them. So these are resealable. That's the inside. It's very chewy. I like the consistency. They're actually pretty rich, you know, like they don't lack in taste. So these are super cute. So so fun. So those are the Chipmunk keto bites. Yeah, good flavor. Okay, so next we have the super coffee. I've seen this in, I think, Kroger or Tom Thumb. This is what makes it super: 0 added sugar, nothing artificial, MCT oil. So it has 200 milligrams of caffeine. That's equal to 2 cups of coffee. So I need this for my day. This is the sweet cream flavor. It gives positive energy. It's plant-based and it's 80 calories per can. So super coffee. I've seen other flavors of this, but very, very aware of this. And it has 2 net carbs for the entire can. Starbucks who? I mean, let me shut up. I love Starbucks, but this is just for on the go in your refrigerator. You already have it. Okay, next we have Love Good Fats, chewy, nutty, dark chocolatey sea salt and almond nut bar. I've heard of Good Fats as well. I'm not gonna open this. I'm not gonna open everything. Dark chocolate is always good. Sea salt, I love salted sweet things. Love salted sweet things. Let's see how many net carbs we're working with. Let's find it. Gotta do the math. Total carbs 15, fiber 11 grams, sugar alcohol 0. I'll probably eat like half of this. It looks like it's gonna be really rich, but yeah, Good Fats, chewy, nutty, dark chocolatey, sea salt and almond nut bar. And then, oh, keto all the way, Rome sticks. See it? Let's focus. Come on. Okay, new camera. Y'all, I got a new camera, so it focuses by itself. Pork for the planet. This is, oh, pineapple. Who is texting me? Everybody want to text you when you're doing something all the time. Let me get a sip of drink. So what is this? This is a, looks like a beef stick. So it's 100% pasture raised pork. It has pineapple chunks. Oh, so it's like a pineapple ham piece of pizza. So this is Rome sticks. So made with pasture raised heritage pork. Oh, so it's fancy pork, y'all, with pineapple bits in it. See, I like stuff like this. Different flavors. I love it. And let's see, does it have the, it's probably no carbs. So this one, this is different. This is called ice chips. It's a lemon candy and it's made with xylitol. I saw a recipe for this candy it was actually in the book that they gave me for the Keto Crate. They made like a margarita drink and they crushed up the candies. Here it is. See it? They crushed up the candies and dipped the rim of the glass in the crushed up candies. How genius is that? Instead of like salt or sugar, you put candies. So these are ice chips. I love the name. It sounds so refreshing and sweet. Sweetened with xylitol. Then we have ranch. These are Life Hilo 3 net carbs made with almond flour. Ranch almond flour tortilla style chips. Do you see it? Yeah, there we go. So 3 net carbs for the whole bag. I can't wait to see how these taste because I'm a big chip person. Like my weakness is kettle cooked chips. I love kettle cooked chips. So I'm very particular. I do like the protein chips that they sell at Target. What are those called? I forgot. Y'all know what I'm talking about. They come in the big bag. The protein, yes, protein style. I forgot what they are. So we'll see what these taste like. 3 net carbs, whole bag. Ooh, Kiss My Keto butter cookies. Okay, sweetened with allulose. So a serving size is half a package. It is 12 total carbs, 5 dietary fiber. So what is that? 12, 7. So 7 net carbs. Did I get that right? 7 net carbs for a serving. I'll just probably snack on these. Like I said, this is perfect for snacks. What did I tell y'all? Perfect for snacks. Get a Keto Krate. I see it all up and down my timeline. I'm like, I need to get a Keto Krate. And look at God. They reached out to me and here I am. And we're almost to the bottom. Ooh, what is this? Handmade beef jerky. Carne seca. Hatch green chili. I love Hatch green chili flavored items. Look at this. So this is 0 net carbs. Nothing. It is beef jerky like no other. It better be. Because it looks real fancy. Like they sell it at Whole Foods or Central Market. And then last but not least, Pizzuts. These are artisan peanuts, sea salt, and cracked pepper. Oh, look at the packaging. All this packaging is so like fancy. So this is 7.2 carbs, 2.9 dietary fiber. Once again, you're eating keto. You can't go wrong. Everything is low carb in this box. I mean, thank you, Keto Krate. Thank you so much, y'all. Look at this. Let me look at all this. Look at all this. Look, just so much, just good food. I've been waiting to show y'all this so that I could go ahead and start snacking for the week. So I am super excited about this. So I will put my code below. You will receive $10 off your first box if you use my code and my link. And just if you're living that keto lifestyle, we can snack too. We sure can snack away. Not just pork rinds, not just almonds, cheese, beef jerky. Look, a whole world of snacks. So I hope y'all enjoy this unboxing. Thank you, Keto Krate, again. I will try, they're gonna send me a box a month. So we're gonna have new treats next month in July. So I cannot wait, but this month of June is gonna be good with the keto snacks. So yeah, so click the link below. I'm gonna put it in the description box, or when you order, just put in my code. It's Miss Che 84 and y'all snack away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm about to go enjoy this day with my family. Super excited. Have a wonderful week. Bye.